Lovely, lovely, clean, fresh, new hair.
If it's your first time here today, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and become a part of the We Love family. And let's go on this journey together. On today's video, I'll be doing another hair video. You already saw that coming. Don't even say you didn't know it was coming. The hair video was coming. I'll be attempting to do a wash and go for the first time. I've been very skeptical about doing wash and goes on my hair because my hair is 4C and it does tend to shrink up quite a bit. Attempting to do something that's not norm for 4C girls. I don't normally see 4C girls doing wash and goes that regularly, but I'll be the guinea pig here today. So if you've got hair that's similar to mine, your hair texture is similar to mine, and you also want to try out a wash and go, it's really a matter of learning your hair type, learning the products for your hair. So it's, you know, it's a combination of quite a few things. So yeah, so I would also love to hear from you guys what other hairstyles you would like me to try, or products, because I am a product junkie. I do love to experiment with new products. I like to pick up new products on a regular basis and try them out and see how my hair responds to them. Although I do also love home remedies, I do like to pick up different products and trial them out and just see how my hair responds to them. And lately I've been using these Ncube products. I don't know if you guys have heard about this Ncube products, and my hair seems to be really loving those products. So if there is any products that you guys know in the market that you haven't tried before, maybe you're scared of trying them, I'll be the guinea pig, and then we can use me as a guinea pig. I don't mind to try out the products. You let me know, and then I will pick them up and document it for you. And yeah, let's take it from there. Okay, so I did sort of flat twist my hair down with gel, so I will want to unravel the hair with some water. So in the water bottle I just have some essential oils in there just to maintain moisture for the hair. So it's good to have a nice bottle at home. I got this bottle from, where did I get this bottle? I got this bottle from, I think Osbro or Clicks. I think it was Clicks, Osbro. Yeah, I got it from Osbro. I think it was, I lie, I got this bottle from Discam. This bottle is from Discam. It was about 30 rands. No, it was cheaper than that. It was 25 rand. Yes. So yeah, I have quite a few of these bottles all over the house, where I just like to, like one in the bathroom, one in my bedroom. Not all over the house. Why am I saying all over the house? Like, you'd find this bottle in the kitchen. Actually, I do have one in the kitchen. I have a rice water bottle in the kitchen. So yes, so it is pretty much all over the house. So I just like to go in with some water, because what you don't want to do is you don't want to detangle your hair without putting some moisture, because it's prone to breakage. And you'll notice that if you just unravel your hair after maybe a braiding hairstyle or like flat twist, and you just unravel without water, you'll find that it breaks so much more. And this, having a water bottle, is probably the best thing a girl can have with her, and also obviously with some essential oils as well. So I'll just unravel this hair and just try and fast forward, and then I'll take you through the next product. Then I'll go wash my hair, and then we'll take it from there, guys. Yeah. Let me just do that. Let's see if you can. Yeah. Okay. Wow, I'm loving this one. It's actually almost finished. I need to replace this one as well, but I want to try something different next time. But I do love these products. I do love that they are very slimy, because flaxseed is slimy, so it's like it leaves the hair properly moisturized, so it doesn't entirely drench the hair. I like this product range a lot. So, but I do want to try different things, so you guys can tell me if there's new products that are in the market. Please just leave me a comment down below. I want to try them out. And then after washing the hair, then I'll come back and I will show you the next products. Then washing the hair, yo, let's see, nice and clean, nice and fresh, nice and clean, as y'all can see.
lovely, lovely, clean, fresh, new hair. So I love this head wrap towel thing. It's okay, so you pretty much just place it, you put your head in here, right? Then there's a clip. Oh well, you put it in facing this way. There's a clip here, like a button here, and then you clip it there at the back or at the front. You just put the elastic here. So it's really, really cool, because I was using t-shirt before until I found this at Mr. Price. I find it so convenient. Okay, so we're going to start by oiling the hair. I don't know, I'm just going to oil the hair because I'm going to wear gel. I know some people tend to use leave-in butters, but I don't know about butters, leave-in butters, so I'm just going to go with the oil and gel. So I'm going to go in with my favorite oil. This is one of my favorites, and it remains my favorite up until today. Like I said, I'm trying out new Ncube products, so I am trying their oils as well. And yeah, cool. So I'll just go about distributing this in my hair. Especially on the ends, that's why I want to make sure that I seal in the oil. Edges. Yeah, that's a lot, I know. My hair is high porosity, so it consumes that oils and products. It consumes them like nothing, like it takes them in like nothing, and just as if I never even put in nothing in my hair. Okay. Yep, the shrinkage is properly real. It is properly real. Auntie Jackie's flaxseed recipe don't shrink curling gel. So it's just that I bought this as one range. So I bought it as one range. So I decided just to go with the gel, the butter, and as well as the co-wash. So I usually use the other one. I think it's blue or purple. Yeah. I usually use the other gel. I like that one, but I decided just to go ahead and try this one as well, because it's good to try new products, right? So apparently it's good to put in a lot of products. That's what I've heard, so I don't know, but yeah, we're gonna do that, because I've heard that it's good to put in a lot of products into the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the flaxseed gel. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to let the hair air dry now, and while I just dress up and get ready, and then I will show you what the hair looks like after it's air dry. Okay, but so far this is what it looks after I've put in the gel products. This is what it looks like, just so you can see. I haven't done anything, I haven't put it dry, I haven't done nothing. This is just it as it is in its natural state. Okay, so this is the final look. This is how the hair is now after it's dried up. Let me just turn around so you can see the texture of the hair. So it's pretty coily, it's kinky, you know, the coils really do their own thing, which is cute and all. So I decided just to accessorize it with the outfit that I'm wearing. So yes, this is what it looks like in the end. So I'm going to leave it for about 2 days, 3 days. I'll see how long it can go for, and I think I can revive it with some water as well. That should be okay, right? So yes, this is what it looks like, guys. This is my wash and go. Wash and go. Yes, this is my wash and go, people. This is my wash and go. So yes, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to leave me a nice comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.